Sundays with Redan. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Today I am going to read a Valentine's Day story, and look, I have made a picture for you here. And I have also made a Lego heart. With my own. And look, there is a soft heart pillow. Hope you like it. So, now I am going to start my story. The Pete the Cat Valentine's Day is cool. It was the day before Valentine's Day, and Pete was riding his skateboard home. On the way, he saw his friend Kelly. She was holding a big red heart that said love. Look, a heart, a big heart. Oh, wedding heart. See, he saw big heart said love. Have you finished your Valentine's Day cards? Asked Kelly. No, said Pete. Valentine's Day is not cool, said Pete. Oh, Pete, Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. It's a day to tell people how special they are to you. Kelly insisted. Pete skated on, but something in the back of his mind told him that Kelly might be right. By the time Pete got home, he had decided that Kelly was right about Valentine's Day. So he got out his pencils, papers, crayons and markers and sat down at the kitchen table. First, Pete started to work on a card for his friend Larry. Pete made several cards and big red hearts, but he was not happy with his work. Aww! Valentine's Day is too much cool. Oh, this book is heavy. Set at kitchen table. Yes. Pete wanted to make the perfect card for every cat in his class. I never get all these cards done in 1 minute time. Pete told his mom. Pete's mom smiled. Just do your best, said his mom. Just tell Larry why he is cool. There is something cool about every cat. To Larry. Basketball. No, this is not a basketball. Rugby ball. Happy Valentine's Day from Pete. Pete got back to work. He heard about what was cool about Larry. Perfect, Pete said. After that, it didn't take Pete long to make cards for all the boys, to Rob, to Josh, to Trey. Then Pete made special cards for the girls and wrote Love Pete on each one, and of course he made the biggest heart-shaped card for his mom. From Camberley. Love Pete. Look. The next day, Pete and Kelly waited for the bus together. I decided you were right. Valentine's Day is cool. That's awesome, Kelly said. By the way, I am having a Valentine's Day party at my house after school if you want to come. Lunch, 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 lunch. The bus pulled up then, and Pete and Kelly got Mr. Ted. The bus driver smiled and said good morning, but as soon as they were in their seats, Pete put his head in his paws. I forgot to make a card for Mr. Ted, he cried. Then Pete thought, but I can make him an awesome card. Before we get to school, Pete pulled out a piece of paper and colored pencils from his backpack and began to draw. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for picking us every day. Flashback. Day after school. Pete and Kelly said that as they handed Mr. Ted his Valentine's Day card, thank you, said Mr. Ted. Told them, you just made my day. Flashback. What about Mr. Gold, the crossing guard? We need to make her a Valentine card too. Pete perfectly shouted. Let's do it. Kelly said, let's make Valentine's Day for everyone. Yes. To Mrs. Gold. Stop. Love. Happy Valentine's Day to the police. Happy Valentine's Day to the bus driver. No, the bus driver. No, the fire brigade. Happy Valentine's. Always read. Pete and Kelly got super busy making cards for everyone. Supper. After school, Pete went to Kelly's party. He rang the bell and then he froze. Kelly opened the door only to find her friend in a panic. What's wrong, Pete? I forgot something very important, Pete admitted. What? Kelly asked. I just realized you forgot to make a card for you, says Pete. That's okay, Pete. Cards are just a way of showing how you care about others. Hanging out with you, that's way better than any card. Look, a cake of love. This is the best Valentine's Day ever. And happy Valentine's Day to you, love, Pete. Ho ho! Whoa! Ow. Look! So, my story is over. The end. Happy Valentine's to you and me. And look, did you like this? Share in the comments. And you like the most, I don't know. And maybe I tell you these things. right? And you were just thinking that how does this color come here? It was my mistake. So bye bye. See you next Sunday. Sundays with Ridan. Thank you for listening and watching my videos. And I know you will always watch my videos. Hope. Okay? So I am calling you and happy Valentine's